Hello from the 12-foot view. I wanted to put my recent workshop into this 12-foot view. We worked through some use cases for predictive modeling in Slate, especially for predicting things like matriculation. With the predictive modeling I program the model directly into Slate. This empowers you to have on-demand data access to both the predictors, but the predicted values. Which means you can project how nudges and other changes will affect things like headcount, net tuition revenue, and discount rates. For example, if one of the predictors in your matriculation model is campus visits, you can see how theoretical increases in population or weighted amounts, event attendance, 1, 2, 3 events, affects someone's likelihood to enroll, or the number of the total incoming class more broadly. Same thing if you're using financial aid data like award amounts in your matriculation model. It's a bit faster and easier to tinker with in Excel, but you can model those changes live in a report or a query. This empowers you to be proactive and strategic, and my favorite, adaptive with your enrollment management. And now you have another tool to craft your class, meet your goals, and improve your student success. How does your institution use predictive modeling? Or how do you craft your class? Let me know in the comments. And, of course, please be sure to come back to the 12-foot view. And remember, stay sharp, my friends.